Did you know that nutritional yeast is packed with more B12 and protein per ounce than many other vegan staples? This nutrient powerhouse might just be the game-changer veganism has been waiting for. Welcome back to Hello Vegan. Today, we're exploring a unique and often overlooked ingredient that could revolutionize vegan diets: yeast. Yes, you heard that right. Yeast has gained massive attention for its incredible nutritional benefits and could play a huge role in shaping the future of veganism. With more people searching for sustainable, nutrient-dense food options, yeast might be the answer we've all been looking for. So, let's dive in and see why yeast could become a must-have in vegan diets. One of the biggest challenges vegans face is meeting their nutritional needs, especially when it comes to protein, B vitamins, and certain essential amino acids. Traditional plant-based sources like beans, nuts, and grains are excellent, but they may still fall short on certain nutrients, especially B12 and protein density. This gap can leave some vegans struggling to keep their diets balanced, leading to fatigue, muscle loss, or even deficiencies. Could yeast, this tiny organism, be the solution that helps bridge this nutritional gap? Let's explore. Alright, let's break down the different types of yeast and how each one offers unique benefits, starting with the star of the show, nutritional yeast. 1. Nutritional yeast. This is the go-to yeast for vegans and health enthusiasts alike. Not only does it bring a cheesy flavor that's perfect for sauces, salads, and popcorn, but it's also a complete protein and a fantastic source of B vitamins. Just a couple of tablespoons can provide over 8 grams of protein and a substantial dose of B12, which is essential for energy and cell health. 2. Brewer's yeast, often used in brewing beer. Brewer's yeast is another form packed with nutrients, especially minerals like chromium, selenium, and potassium. While it's less commonly used in cooking, brewer's yeast can be found in supplements and health products for its immune-boosting properties. 3. Baker's yeast. Most of us know baker's yeast as the ingredient that makes bread rise. While it's not typically consumed for nutrition, it contains beneficial enzymes and B vitamins that can support gut health. Researchers are also experimenting with fortifying baker's yeast to create new, nutrient-dense products. 4. Scientific advancements in yeast cultivation. Now here's where things get really interesting. Scientists are working on cultivating yeast strains that can produce even higher levels of protein and essential nutrients. Some companies are also bioengineering yeast to replicate flavors and nutrients found in animal products, without the need for animals. Imagine a yeast product that tastes like cheese or even meat. Here's something groundbreaking. A recent study from University has shown that bioengineered yeast could contain nearly twice the protein of soybeans while being more digestible and eco-friendly. Experts in the field believe that this innovation could reshape the way we think about protein in vegan diets. And there's already an innovative product on the market called Product Name, which uses specially cultivated yeast to create a nutrient-rich, savory protein source for vegans. People who have tried it say it tastes just like Parmesan cheese, but with none of the dairy. So, to recap, yeast is emerging as a highly promising food source for vegans. With its impressive protein content, essential nutrients, and potential for sustainability, yeast could play a central role in the future of vegan diets. Not only can it help meet the nutritional needs that some plant-based foods fall short on, but it also opens the door to innovative, eco-friendly food solutions. Have you tried using yeast in your meals? Let us know in the comments your favorite ways to use it. And if you're interested in learning about more groundbreaking vegan food options, check out our next video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more plant-based inspiration. Thanks for watching.